getting more data about the brain and our interaction with the environment and our bodies and nervous systems and so on, but also more theory. So I just recently wrote a Psychology Today blog, and what I argued is if you look at all of these new brain projects, for which, for example, the president has just put in a large sum of federal money, they are very much like the epigenomic, the gene mapping project. So you take the Connectome project, which is literally named after that. So it's great to get all of this big data stuff about the brain, but if there's no theory to go along with it, you're not necessarily going to learn anything just by collecting data. And the gene mapping project is a really good example, because they had a very simplistic view about the relationship between genes and phenotypic characteristics and proteins and so on. And what did we learn from doing this? We learned that genetic determinism is false, that the relationship between these things is much more complex, and that in fact, at the end of the day, just mapping the genome didn't tell us a lot in and of itself, theoretically, about how it all works together. So I would say going forward with the brain and with extended cognitive science, the same thing needs to happen. We need to collect the data, but we need much more theorizing, and I think that's one of the places that philosophers can help.